Throughout your entire life, your personal style will change decade after decade. Your clothes will change, and probably your body will change. But I am here to sing out loud. Do not be afraid of making changes to your personal style. It will evolve. Your clothing, hairstyle, shoes, handbags, makeup, all of these things are going to change from year to year or decade to decade. And isn't that a good thing? Of course it is. Shake up your snow globe. I'm assuming if you are watching this video, your snow globe needs to be shaken up. You might be stuck in a rut, and that's okay. I can totally relate. I have been stuck in the style rut too, but very recently I shook up my snow globe. You need to start putting yourself first and wearing what makes you feel happy and makes you feel confident. It's all about you, not about what social media is telling you to wear, not about what the trends are for the specific season. It's about what makes you happy in your clothes. I am not sitting here to tell you how to find your style. There are so many videos out there. That is not what this video is for. In this video, I am sharing 5 helpful suggestions reminding you to put yourself first and to help you feel and look fabulous and powerful and strong and confident every single day. Stick around. And hey, welcome. My name is Coral, and you found us at ReMended and Revival. I'm so happy you're here. We are here to discover the best version of you with the style you are in now, today. And my first tip is this: know your body. Know what you want to accentuate. Know what you want to flatter now in the body that you have now. When I was in my 20s and I wanted to go out and I wanted to look a little sexy, I would wear short mini skirts, high heels. But as I'm now approaching 50, that is not how I feel sexy. I might choose to go for a deeper V neckline, maybe some trousers that flatter my body with a nice belt, a nice handbag, and maybe some jewelry. That is how I feel sexy now. Know what you want to accentuate. Do you want to show off your chest? Do you want to show off your booty? Do you want to show off your waist? You know you best. Think about what you want to flatter on the body that you have now and do that. That's tip number 1. My guess is that your closet has all the things that you need to make this happen. And if it doesn't, don't worry. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You can go to a secondhand store and find all the things you need if you know what you are looking for and what you want to flatter on your body. Helpful tip number 2, I just mentioned it. Look through your closet. Look through your closet right now and pull out 2 to 5 pieces that you absolutely love. What is it about these pieces that you're drawn to? Is it the colors? Is it the fit? Are they fitted? Are they loose? Is the fabric something similar? You can notice they're all cotton or they're all cashmere. Lucky you. They're all wool. Are they neutrals? Are they bright, colorful, printed fabrics? Pay attention to what you love. And if you don't have enough of that in your closet, get rid of what you don't wear and go to that secondhand store and start looking specifically for what you discovered about your style that you love existing in your closet. In my opinion, we don't need to label ourselves. I like classic. I like bohemian. I like rocker chic. I like fill in the blank. Because I think all of us kind of like bits and pieces from all different styles. It's okay to like things from all different styles. What matters most is that you are choosing outfits, choosing clothes that you love and that accentuate the parts of your body that you want to accentuate and flatter now. Helpful tip number 3, love the body that you are in right now. Love it. Look at what your body has done for you. Don't wish for your body that was in your 20s or your 30s or your 40s. Love it now. It is a beautiful machine that is running and you are nourishing. Love it the way it is now. And this might mean being kinder to yourself. Your inner monologue might be kind of mean. I know mine has been from time to time, and I have to be louder than it. Aging is inevitable. We are going to get wrinkles. We are going to have some saggy, crepey skin. It is what is going to happen. But we are beautiful just the way we are at any age we are. So know that and love yourself. This might take some time, but work on it. It will help you tremendously finding clothes to wear every single day. I feel like all my tips kind of go along with each other, but tip number 4 really goes hand in hand with tip number 3. Love your body now was tip number 3. Tip number 4 is love your body and show your body off the way it is now. Do not wait to change your wardrobe when you've lost 7 to 10 pounds. Look good now with the weight that you are, with the curves or the non-curves that you have. Do not wait. You need to dress and feel beautiful in the clothes that you have. Something very common for women of our age is we put on some weight in new areas of our body. So maybe, like has happened to me, your jeans might be a little tighter at the waist. You might have a little bit more extra skin down there. So what can you do? You can sausage yourself into those old jeans, but you don't feel good anymore because there's skin plopping over and you don't want to tuck your shirts in because it's too tight. So what can you do? Well, here I say again, from a girl who loves her secondhand thrift stores, pick up some clothes that fit you better now, that fit your curves now, that fit your waist now, that flatter the areas that you want to be flattered now. Do not wait to treat yourself to clothes when you lose some weight. Stop that. That's nonsense. Look good now. There is no reason not to. Even if you just pick up 2 new pairs of jeans from the secondhand store that flatter your body now, and you still do want to lose and try to lose 7 to 10 pounds. I'm not saying don't try. I'm saying find pieces that fit you now that make you feel and look beautiful and powerful and strong and magnificent and confident now. And if you lose some weight, congratulations. You can then fit into your old jeans, and that's going to feel pretty remarkable. But don't wait. Make sure you have clothes that fit you now. That's tip number 4. And the last tip is it's time to play. And what I mean by that is you have to take time to play around and figure out what you love. And there's many different ways to do that and many different videos to watch about that. Some people suggest you make a Pinterest board. That doesn't really work for me, but it might work for you, and I know it works for many people. You can get some outfit inspiration, but look around you when you're walking in the streets, when you're in the grocery store, if you're at a baseball game, if you're going to a farmer's market. Look around, pay attention to people that are dressed in a way that really speaks to you, that you think, ooh, I like it. And make a note of that. Take pictures, make a note in a journal. Use your phone to add notes. Keep your eyes open. And really, I feel like what matters most in this tip is you need to take the time to put you first. And I know I can speak for myself. I had not been putting myself first for a long time. I got in my rut and my snow globe wasn't shooken or shaken, whatever. And I really needed to put myself first. And I have my friends to thank for saying, get yourself out there, keep doing what you love, don't stop encouraging me. That is what I want to do for you. Encourage you, And it's just a little bit of a reminder. You need to put yourself first if you want to start feeling better about you, and you want to start feeling better about what you are presenting yourself with in front of the mirror and in front of other people. You matter. Really pay attention to what makes you feel good. Not about what, again, social media is telling you to wear or about what the fashion trends are. Maybe you resonate with some of those, and that's fantastic, but maybe you don't. You need to be true to you. You need to be paying attention to what you love. Take the time for you and put your best self out there with clothes that flatter your parts of the body that you want to flatter and accentuate, and just start feeling more confident and feel like you, because no matter your age, you should be putting yourself first. You should be feeling your best. Your style journey might be a long, windy road with many struggles along the way, but do not give up on yourself. Once you figure out what you want to flatter, how you want to dress, what colors or fits you like to wear, once you figure that out in time, you are going to feel not only empowered and more confident, you are going to radiate your true beauty from the inside out. And that is what matters at this age, at any age. Love the way you look at any age. I hope these 5 helpful suggestions, tips were something for you to think about and give you some time to be more mindful of taking time for you and knowing that you are worth it, and what you put out there is just a true sign of what you love. And it's really fun to be able to, without talking, tell someone how we feel. And we can do that through our clothes and our accessories in just one simple way. I appreciate you all, and I will look forward to my next video, probably about some upcycling, some thrift flip, or some sewing project soon. Bye guys, thanks for being here. I'll see you in my next video.